Hi everybody. Well, Hiccups was playing and she just came in the room to visit me a while ago, and then just now, just a while ago, she come up in onto my shoulder, and then she started climbing on my head and climbing around on my shoulder and sniffing at me and licking on my nose and licking at my ear and putting her nose in my ear and looking up sideways at the camera when I had the camera shot, and I made a little noise for her to hear the camera, and she played herself out and fell asleep. So even though it's only afternoon, good night, little Hiccups. Good night. She's tired. Bye now. Talk to y'all later.